have the ECG path running along here, just where Innes and Callum are marking up now. The side on the left is going to be mainly native or naturalised species. I'm going to make sure that they're sourced responsibly and from Britain. That's like the emphasis. And on the right hand side we're going to have non-native but quite popular species that are often like imported. The emphasis is on buying responsibly and trying to source them from the UK. We're also going to have contrasting colours, so on the native side we're going to have a lot of warm browns, some nice pine colours as well, and more like natural substances. And on the right we're going to have a lot cooler colours like some blues and some greys.
So what I have enjoyed the most about the garden and the show has been being able to be outdoors and in contact with the plants and with my colleagues, and yeah, just being around college because I really enjoyed.
I've really enjoyed putting the garden together. It was quite challenging at times trying to source plants from nurseries because of COVID, but I think we managed to get it all together in the end, and the progress has been really nice. Finishing it from start to finish, really proud of it.